Relentless torrential rain has triggered catastrophic flooding across Cameroon's southwest region, turning streets into rivers, destroying homes, and forcing desperate families to flee. The hardest-hit cities, Kumba and Limbe, faced hours of intense rainfall that overwhelmed drainage systems and transformed entire neighborhoods into disaster zones. In Kumba, heavy rain fell from morning until late afternoon on the 5th of August 2026, unleashing widespread flash flooding across roads and residential districts. In several low-lying communities, floodwaters rose close to rooftop level, trapping residents inside their homes and leaving many waiting for rescue.
The bridge.
Families abandoned their belongings for higher ground as powerful currents swept through streets and cut access to affected villages. Witnesses pleaded with people to stop filming and help flood victims after one man was nearly swept away by the rushing water. The disaster also intensified in Limbe, where continuous rainfall triggered deadly flooding and landslides. In the Mbende neighborhood, a building collapsed following a landslide, leaving at least 3 people dead, according to preliminary reports. Floodwaters submerged homes in Espoir, while roads around Mile 4 became impassable as motorcycles were swept away. In Bakoko, raging floodwaters surged beneath bridges before rushing into the Atlantic Ocean, carrying debris, destroying property, and forcing more families to evacuate.
Cats and dogs since morning, and the condition here is so nasty.
Emergency crews and security forces were deployed across the affected region as rescue operations continued. Officials urged residents to stay away from flooded roads, rivers, and unstable hillsides while preparing for more heavy rain. The disaster came after Cameroon's National Observatory on Climate Change warned of an elevated risk of extreme weather across the southwest region. With floodwaters still threatening vulnerable communities, thousands remain affected as authorities continue damage assessments and emergency relief operations. Cameroon is once again confronting the devastating power of extreme rainfall, while local communities struggle to recover from one of the region's most destructive flood events this year.
Come on, rescue me.